Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TD Ameritrade for beginners. First, you'll need to open an account, which typically involves providing some personal details and funding it with an initial deposit. Once your account is active, take some time to explore the platform's intuitive interface. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and navigation menus to easily find what you need. Understanding the different account types, such as individual or retirement accounts, is also a crucial first step for your investment journey. Now, let's navigate the platform. The search bar is your best friend for finding specific investments like stocks or exchange-traded funds. Dive into the robust research tools available, including analyst reports and real-time market news, to help you make informed decisions. Don't forget to use the powerful screeners. They allow you to filter through thousands of investment options based on criteria important to you, saving you valuable time. Once you're ready, placing trades is straightforward. You can easily place buy and sell orders for stocks, options, and other securities directly from the platform. After investing, it's essential to monitor your portfolio's performance regularly and track individual holdings to ensure they align with your goals. You can also set up custom alerts for price changes or important news, keeping you informed without constant manual checking. For those looking to expand their strategies, TD Ameritrade offers advanced trading tools for options and futures. The platform also provides extensive educational resources, including articles, videos, and learning modules, to help you develop your investment skills. Should you ever need assistance, their dedicated customer support team is readily available via phone, chat, or email, ensuring you always have help when you need it most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.